So what I call the golden rule is the most important rule of trading any type of market, whether that is crypto, stocks, Forex, futures, or anything else. It all comes down to one single concept. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what this rule is and my ways on how to properly follow it. So here it is. The golden rule of day trading is to stay alive in the game as long as possible. Now, what does this mean, staying alive in the game? It means you must have perfect and consistent risk management to be profitable. I'm going to give you 3 easy tips you can follow so you can never break this rule ever again. So here is my first and easiest tip, which I know you have heard of thousands and thousands of times before. Only risk 1 to 2% for every single trade you place. I want you to choose how much you're going to risk and stick with it. Like, truly make a promise to yourself and write it down somewhere. If you're a beginner, maybe only choose 0.5 or 1% per trade. And once you're more consistent and a little more experienced, then perhaps increase that to 1.5 or 2%. Please do not say 5 or 10%, because if you're going to risk that much, then you better be prepared to blow your entire account. The reason you want to only choose 1 to 2% or even less is so that when you have a bad losing streak, or when you lose the next 8 trades in a row, because I promise you it will happen, you want to keep your account alive and still be in the game. Tip number 2, shift your goals from getting bigger payouts or bigger wins to increasing the size of your account. Let me explain. Say you have a $100,000 funded account and you're making 5% a month. That's $5,000 profit. Now let's say you have a $500,000 account. You are still going to place the same exact trades as you did with the 100K account, but now that same 5% just turned into $25,000 per month. Take a look at all these influencers, for example. The reason why they have trading days where they make over 6 figures in a single trade is because their account size is in the multi-millions. Their 5% profit per month equates to probably $250,000 because they have a $5 million sized account. It's all statistics, so make sure you focus on gaining a consistent percentage month after month. And for tip number 3, you must master your own psychology. I know I made a whole YouTube video about this already, but just to quickly recap, you have to master yourself if you want to master the charts. The markets do not care at all about your position. You are the only person that cares about your position, so you have to manage it properly and simply forget about it. Do not overtrade, do not break your strategy, do not risk more than you need to. It all comes down to controlling these factors, which will make or break your trading journey. And that is it. That is my golden rule for when it comes to day trading in any market. If you have any questions at all, feel free to hit me up in the comments down below or DM me on Instagram. I will be happy to reply. I also dropped the link to my free Telegram in the description below so you can see exactly which pairs I am looking to trade every single week. Good luck trading this week, and I will see you guys later. Peace.